How to use Find My iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Find My iPhone. So let's get started. First, you need to make sure that Find My iPhone option is enabled on your settings. So what you're going to do is first of all, open your settings and then you're going to click on your iCloud or your profile. And over here, you're going to search for the option that says Find My. So just click on Find My. And after that, you're going to click on Find My iPhone and you got to make sure that Find My iPhone is toggled on. Now you can see that here it is already toggled on, and once it's done, you can head over to your Find My application. So just search for Find My in your app library. And here you can see this is an interface of Find My application. So here, if there are a number of people with who you have shared your location, you'll be able to see them over here. Or if you want your location to be shared with other people, you can simply click on Start Sharing Location and send your location to them. And if you have a couple of devices at your home and they are all connected with your phone, so you can simply click on Devices. And you'll be able to see all of the devices connected with your phone or with your iCloud displayed over here. Now, if you wish to find any specific device, for example, if I wish to find my AirPods Pro, I'm going to click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be able to see a couple of options such as play sound. Like if it is close to you, you can simply click on play sound and your AirPods will start playing some sort of sound. It will be easier for you to navigate it, or you can also click on directions. If it is like far away from you, then you can get directions in order to get a trace for the AirPods. Now if you wish to add any new items, you can simply click on items, and here you can add some new items other than your devices. And here in the Me section, you'll be able to see your location over here and from which device that location is coming from, whether you want to share your location or whether you want to allow friends requests. And if your friend has lost their phone and they want to navigate their phone using your phone, what they can do is come to the profile such as Me and scroll all the way to the bottom. And over here, they can click on Help a Friend. Now, it will open iCloud.com so others can sign in and find their devices from this iPhone. So you can simply click on Help a Friend. And once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So your friend can simply sign into their iCloud over here and they'll be able to trace the location of their iCloud or their phone using your Find My application. So that was basically how you can use the Find My application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.